So if you've been following the news online when it has to do with education, infrastructural development, real estate, or hospitality, you notice that one particular state has been on top of the charts in the southern part of Nigeria. And by that, I mean Enugu State. Enugu State has been witnessing massive development almost on every sector, the real estate sector, the education sector, and many other sectors. And if you're an investor looking to invest in the city of Enugu, there are two major locations that you need to consider. And in this video, my goal is to point out these two locations and give you reasons why they are very important. So the first one is Ninth Mile. So Ninth Mile is located in Udi local government, part of Enugu. It is situated along the Enugu-Onitsha Expressway. This location is known for its industrial and commercial hub. In fact, it is ranked as the #1 industrial hub in the city of Enugu. It has the cleanest water in the city of Enugu, and it has great accessibility. Ninth Mile connects the northern and the western parts of Nigeria for people who travel to the north, people who travel to Anambra State, and then Nsukka. Many of them make use of this location because of its accessibility to those different parts of Nigeria. Now, if you're an investor looking to invest in this location, the property value ranges between 3 to 6 million, and the good thing, they are still very much affordable. I mean, these properties are very genuine, they are registered, and they are verifiable. It is a place where you put your money, you are sure of getting high return on investment. Take for instance, if you invest now, most of the properties in this location that we're selling for 1 million naira as of last 2 years, currently many of them are selling for 3 million, 4 million, depending on the particular location in Ninth Mile. So if you're an investor looking for a property where you can put money, where you can invest and then get high return on investment in the coming years, then Ninth Mile is a great location because of this infrastructural development that you are sure that they will influence the value of these properties and they will keep appreciating in value. Number 2 is Ugwogo Nike. Currently in Ugwogo Nike, there's a massive development happening. For instance, the government of Enugu started dualization early this year, the dualization of Enugu-Nsukka Expressway. This dualization cuts across the axis of Abakpa Nike, Apogazi Nike, Amambaka Nike, and Obeke Nike, and even Ugwogo Nike. So people who travel this location to access Nsukka and also the northern part of Nigeria, like the Benue State, make use of Ugwogo Nike because of its great accessibility. In Nike axis, we have a recent development that are coming up in that location, like the renovation of the landmark Nike Lake Resort, the Madoka University, which is currently operational, and then recently the Madoka University started building their staff quarter, which is located in Apogazi Nike. One of the major things that influences the price of a property are factors like road construction, availability of schools, and other infrastructures like industries. And the good thing about Ugwogo Nike, it houses a university like Madoka University. It has a hospitality resorts like the landmark Nike Lake Resort. So if you're an investor looking for a location, a great location here in the city of Enugu where you can put your money and you are sure of high return on investment, then Ugwogo Nike is that location for you. Properties are within the range of 6 million naira to 10 million naira, depending on the particular location that you want to buy in Ugwogo Nike. So if you are looking to invest in the city of Enugu, call or WhatsApp the number showing on your screen. So I will take you to either of these two locations, help you make great investment, help you buy a property that is fully registered and verifiable. My name is Obaleke Emene. I'm a real estate expert based in the city of Enugu. I help smart individuals like you make secure and profitable real estate investment in Enugu. And to better understand real estate in Nigeria, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and follow along for more. See you in the next one.